but seems to be a little more finicky than...
It unequipped my weapon again. Every time it unequips the weapon. Oh, right, now I have to go... Oh, this is so annoying. Why would you make it that type of attack? Like, it's not even an attack.
Yeah. Well, you don't actually need to use any of those.
I don't know, I was just testing it out.
Yeah.
But that's annoying.
Yeah, it's one of the...
It's weird it can't just be an ability like the double jump.
Yeah, like it's a cool premise, but yeah, it's definitely not a combat type of situation.
Oh, it's a mimic.
Ooh, you're cursed and you're poison. That's a fun combo. And there's explosions, there's just so much going on over here.
So much was happening. Just go. Why do I have to wait for the whole line to extend?
You don't...
I was hitting the button, it wouldn't let me go.
Well, I guess you could kind of put it on just like the floor, or...
I guess.
Because yeah, I've definitely done it where it's just like a very short distance and you just hop through real quick.
Oh, so that's the end of the area?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep, you basically just go over there.
Well, at least when we need the room back, we can come back.
Yeah, it's a short run from the...
Trying to think, where...
go back to Johannes, see what other weapons you could potentially...
Where was the thing?
The one above where OD was is where there's several of those areas for you to go through.
No, not to go higher up in
Oh.
the thing. There was one with an upgrade in one of these rooms, and I don't remember which room it was. I think it was the room next to this.
Oh, I think so, yeah. I know what you're talking about now. Yeah, there's a very just like random spot you can kind of jump your way through.
Where we first saw them, and we were like, what the hell is this?
Yeah. Well, it might be the area not too far from where Todd is.
Alright, I have it. Badly equipped. I think it was before. I think it was in this room here.
No, because this is the area where there was that locked door that you came back around to.
Was that?
Yeah, that had the health upgrade.
It might have been after Zangetsu.
Yeah, I mean, it definitely would have been after Zangetsu. So, yeah.
I don't-
You pull up your map?
Remember.
Zoom in a little bit.
Was it this room?
It would have been, I think, that room with the chest on the bottom.
This one?
Yeah. If memory serves correctly.
Just gotta kill you guys real quick.
Yeah. Y'all are in the way. Spiral sword.
I mean, we're back in the part of the castle where I can do the...
Yeah. Back in the lower level areas where you can just breeze through things.
Get them killed quick.
Yep.
But yeah, I'm trying to remember where it was. I mean, it's an ammunition upgrade, but it's still
Yeah.
something I just kind of want to get
Still a collectible.
out of the way.
Get some oak.
And a lot of wood.
Yeah.
But no, I like my wood.
Huh?
Another portrait.
All these evil paintings. Good timing.
Come here, you fucking barber.
I know. You're not Todd.
There we go.
I don't know who you are.
Okay.
You killer barbers. Alright, moment of truth.
Was this room? Yes, I think so.
Yep. Ooh.
Don't have enough magic.
Alright, good job, Knight. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, there we go. Let's see.
Yeah, I was gonna say, you can just go straight across and then...
I got a Mashukatal.
I think that might be the really slow greatsword. Yep. So now you'll have to reflect your way back out of here. And then there should be another one up that way you can do. It's a little harder because of how high it is. So if you reflect... more towards where the balcony is, like the railings. Yeah, there we go. You can just point it at the one on the wall.
Oh, that's true. Oops. I didn't do it right.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah.
Shit!
You gotta...
Come on, come on. There we go.
Yeah. So eventually you'll get to a spot where you can't keep going, but it'll give you a few extra spots.
Oh, right. Because I don't have anything equipped, because it's stupid. I got the Simian shard.
Which is... call forth an ape-like demon.
I figure, why not?
Yeah. Go ahead and get those blues out the way.
And then we'll go back this way. Yay! Yeah. Damn it. Come on.
Yeah, it eventually becomes second nature. It also doesn't help the jumping on this is a little,
Especially because it's the Switch version.
yeah. I was like, I didn't really have many issues on the PlayStation, thankfully. Definitely jump into the bell.
Into the bell?
Yep.
Hey! Excuse me? I don't know what this is.
More areas.
Okay.
Told you, there's a lot of areas still to go. A lot of verticality.
I imagine I can't.
You might be able to... yeah.
Maybe.
Okay, I should say you should be able to. If it stops being stupid about it. There you go. Because I was like, you should be able to just kind of hit the edge and immediately jump.
Same with this one.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. So now you've got as high up as you can go in this tower. Until
But I
you
can go
come
this
back.
way.
Yeah. Ooh. I didn't know you could... Wow.
Didn't know you could what?
Break the top of that.
I didn't even do it. My little dude did it.
Well, damn. I had to find another way to get over here.
Hey, I got a familiar Silver Knight.
I went like the whole game until I could finally get that because I did not realize I could just break through the rock.
He did it for me.
Yeah.
I got lucky. I'm... Okay,
That
shortcut.
Really... Yeah, gotta make sure,
Just whatever I have equipped. Which at the moment, as always, true arrow.
Ooh. He slid under your arrows. Uh-oh. So that's one of the things you got a quest for?
So, let's see if I can get up and around this bell.
Yeah, you're definitely in the most... Oh! The more vertical area of the castle.
Sponge cake!
And of course they gotta throw the heads and...
Always. So curious. Well, you stupid head. I was gonna see if there's anything in that bell.
I don't remember, actually.
Yeah. See if I can jump in it.
Yeah. Stay back with your evil curse.
Oh, it's a cursed ring. That probably helps combat curse.
Yeah. Or it curses you and you die.
Probably both.
Yeah. It saves you from every curse except the curse of the ring you're wearing. Yeah, those things are where the lightning comes in handy because they move around so damn much.
Every time I unequip the lightning, they're like, hey, you know what you would really benefit from?
Yeah.
The fucking lightning.
That's why I created a, I had a true arrow shortcut, a lightning shortcut, a shortcut for the directional, the little reflector ray. Because, yeah, it was like, I got tired of switching back and forth between the two so constantly.
This is gonna be a pain in the butt.
Yep. Nice.
Let's get out of the room real quick.
Yep, now you're on top of the... Oh no, never mind. Just on another with a horse. That ain't a Gamagen.
What the...
Cause you,
How did it switch my reflector ray?
Because you changed that to be whatever you had active.
That's so stupid.
Yeah, that's why I literally had one separate for my true arrow, my lightning, the reflector.
That is the dumbest fucking...
Yep.
I really hate that. That is a bad choice. Really? Because it's only the reflector. Like, if they had just made it so that the reflector ray wasn't that kind of a move, it wouldn't be that bad.
I will protect you.
Are these the ones that petrify you?
Possibly.
I will protect you.
Well, I ended up on the bottom. And I can't get through that rubble, so...
I will protect you.
Thank you, protect me, Silver Knight.
I know.
It's been a while, Jesus. It's
Yeah.
been a while since we had a save room.
I told you, there's a lot of area. Just watch out, because they still can hit you from below. I don't know where he thinks he's going.
Oh, you're right.
Gargoyle stone.
At least jump in, jump out.
Yeah. I'm trying to think of where the save room is.
I've got to be getting close to one.
Well, there's the bookcase.
Oh.
Look out.
Okay, so there we go. We found it.
So that makes it a little better. You don't have to run through all that again.
Not all of it.
I mean, obviously, there's still a lot you gotta explore that'll involve running back through it, but with less worries of imminent
Losing
death.
all the progress.
Yep. Because, yeah, if you open your map up now, look at all that verticality.
Oh yeah, we came a long way, because we came all this way. I couldn't go any higher here. I
Yep.
didn't actually see how much higher I could go here.
That was as high as you could go at the moment, because it's a,
No, I thought that was this room. Because of the door.
Oh, yeah, that might be that one. Then yeah, you might be able to go a little...
Yeah, I don't know what those are.
There's a few spots that I know you can't go higher yet.
Yeah, I don't know what those
Yeah,
green
and
things
there's
are.
no, like... There's,
No idea.
Yeah, there's
You can
no,
Google it.
There's no map key that tells you.
Oh. Were you expecting me to find a boss?
Which one is this? Oh, I forgot about this one.
What's that look for? Oh, it's this bitch!
Yep.
Bloodstained.
I forgot all about her. I was like trying to remember. I was like, what other bosses from the first game did we not find yet? That's right, the vampire lady with her umbrellas. And I bet you know what this'll let you do.
Yeah.
Scarlet Thrust.
Bitch.
Scarlet Cyclone.
Oh. Watch out. Well, at least she's seemingly squishier than the other bosses.
No!
Because I am just
Scarlet Cyclone.
wrecking her shit.
Yeah.
Scarlet Thrust.
Oh, right. I gotta switch my shards back. Because it's on Reflector Ray.
Scarlet Thrust.
Look out!
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh. Let me heal.
Oh. That makes sense. Okay.
Scrumptious.
Apparently the scrolls indicate rooms where there's targets for those killing quests.
Oh.
To let you know which rooms you need to go to like kill something.
That makes a lot of sense.
Because I was like, there's nothing in this spot on the map.
Scrumptious.
Okay, now we know.
That should do it for now. She's probably almost dead, honestly.
Probably.
The amount of damage I've been doing.
I was like, I know she does have a bit more health than obviously the last couple you fought. I just don't remember how much more.
Bloodstained.
Oh! Oh! Wow, she is healing a lot.
Blood everywhere. Scarlet Thrust.
Wow, she healed almost everything I've done to her.
Oh, vampires.
Scarlet Cyclone. What? Scarlet Cyclone. No!
This is a pretty good fight because this one's actually not taking her down pretty quick.
Yep.
Ah.
I mean, she actually fights back.
Oh. I'm definitely gonna need to,
Yeah, need to make sure we get you back to Johannes and Dominique to get some more items.
Scarlet Cyclone.
Oh! Can't really do anything from here.
Die.
Bitch.
Scarlet Thrust.
Oh!
Die.
Oh no!
Scarlet Thrust.
I'm not getting a good position.
No, she's really got your number now.
Yeah, because that's all my healing.
Scarlet Cyclone.
Come on, familiar.
One or two more hits from her and I'm out. Oh no.
Scarlet thrust.
I will protect
Yeah, that's it. If I hadn't gotten stuck in that place where I couldn't hit her...
Yeah.
Is there a warp room close to this, do you remember?
Ooh. I'm trying to think. I feel like there should be, I just don't... The vertical parts are definitely harder to keep track of.
Okay. Well, we'll end this here and we'll come back.
Yeah,
And
see if we can topple this vampire.
take her down. Okay. Bye.
Bye.